We'll stretch this out a little bit. Put this right here. Give me your other arm right there. Straighten this leg out. That's good. Just stretch. That's it. That's it. Just stretch. And stretch. How's that feel?
Good. Right here.
There. Just work those paraspinal muscles. Get down here into the gluteals. Right down here is the sciatic nerve. So we want to stretch all of this out. And then we can come here and loosen up the shoulder. There's a little crunch, huh? This way, this way. There we go. See, he doesn't go up that way very well. So we just go where he'll go. This way. That's it. And down. And stretch out the trapezius and the semispinalis, splenius capitis, and all of the cervical, lateral cervical spine muscles. And now you can bend your legs.
Which one?
Both of them. Bring them up this way. Let them off the table. Sit down to the floor and come sit up.
Good. Right here.
Come sit up this way. There you go. There we go.
Thank
How
you.
was that?
Good, thank you.
Okay?
Yes,
That
sir.
good?
Yes, sir. Thank
You
you.
need more?
No, I don't. Thank you.